Imagine building an audience and a business from scratch, all with words and ideas. Step 1 is all about the foundation, deciding what you'll write about. Think about your passions, your expertise, and most importantly, who you want to serve. What unique perspective can you offer? Brainstorm 5 to 10 article ideas that showcase this. This clarity is your compass. Next, it's time to get that first piece out there. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for publication. Write and publish your first article. Then aim for a consistent schedule of at least once a week. Quality and consistency are key to building trust with your readers. Now, let's get people to find you. Promote your Substack across your existing social media. Share snippets, ask questions, and engage with your followers. Also, use relevant hashtags like Substack launch and growth hacking. Every share is a handshake. Building a community is where the magic happens. Respond to every comment and email. Ask your readers for their thoughts and opinions. Consider creating a free tier to attract more subscribers and offer them exclusive behind-the-scenes content or Q&A sessions. Once you've built a loyal readership, it's time to think about monetization. Start small. Offer a paid tier with extra benefits like exclusive content, early access, or private community forums. This allows your most engaged readers to support your work directly. Finally, analyze and adapt. Look at what resonates with your audience. Which posts get the most engagement? Which emails have the highest open rates? Use this data to refine your content strategy and keep growing. You've just laid the groundwork for your Substack empire.